Hey guys, how's it going? How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So, if you're using Android and you want to recover a deleted message in your WhatsApp, probably you've seen it. You've seen like a deleted message, right? A deleted message that you received, but the other party deleted that message, so you won't be able to see it, but you will see that that person deleted that message. So how do we recover it? If you're using iPhone, you could just go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings. In the settings, you could just go ahead to the notifications. And the notifications, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able, if you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna go to advanced settings. In the advanced settings, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to go ahead to the notification history, and you're gonna be able to see all of the history from there, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see that message. But in my case, I'm using iPhone, so how do we actually recover? So basically, before you do anything, or sorry, double check if you are using WhatsApp, click on the settings and just go ahead to the chat and go ahead to the chat backup. In the chat backup, what's gonna happen is your chat will be backed to the iCloud. So whenever message that you received and you actually backed it up in the iCloud, you're gonna be able to see it again, right? And by doing that, let's say for example, you got that message after, or sorry, before, after you've received that message and that person deleted it, right? You can just go back to your screen, delete the WhatsApp, right? Remove it and re-download it again and log in with your account, and obviously WhatsApp will recover that files and messages automatically, right? Because it's already backed in the cloud and you're gonna be able to see the deleted message. So this is like second solution for iPhone users, but this is like the best second solution. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.